Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I came up with an idea that I can show you how to make an arm mount for a mobile phone for vlogging. In most cases, the mobile phone camera is enough for vlogging. For example, at this moment I'm using the Samsung S24 Ultra and I think that the video quality is very good. So first of all, we will start with the design in Fusion 360. Next, I will print out only the parts and we will see how the mount works and how useful it is. So my goal is to design a mount which can be set at least in 3 positions. The first one for vlogging, I mean for my face recording. The second one for my PC monitors recording, and the last one for my desk recording. I have 3 shelves above my desk and I want to use one of these as my base for the mount. Okay, so let's start with the design.
The design process took me about 4 hours. Of course, I speeded up the video because it's too long. So my idea was to design 2 clamps. The first clamp will be used to attach the arm to the shelf and the second clamp will be used to attach the phone. Both clamps will be connected using a pipe. The goal is to print out all parts. Of course it's possible, but the more cost-effective solution is to buy the pipe in the local market. The 3 meters length pipe cost me only €1, so I strongly recommend to buy it. You need only 50 cm length pipe, so you can use the rest of the pipe in other projects. And keep in mind that you can use a pipe with a diameter from 10 to 22 mm. The maximum shelf thickness is 40 mm, and for the phone clamp it is 90 mm. All used threads in the project are M12. I use my favorite slicer, which is the Simplify 3D. For printing I used the PLA material. All parts were printed out using the 0.2 layer height and the infill was set to 30%. The printing process took me next 8 hours, but keep in mind that I used my 7 years old printer, which is not the fastest one. Okay, it's time to assemble all parts together. The first step is to check all threads. The best option for that is to use metal nut and bolt. Sometimes it will be needed to use a force to screw the bolt in, but no worries, the thread will be improved that way. As you can see, we have many position options. You can slide both clamps, the angle of each clamp can be set, and in addition you can rotate clamps. Okay, it's time for testing the arm. The best option for me is to mount the arm on the top shelf, but to be honest, it depends on your needs. Seems all goals were achieved. I can vlog in horizontal and vertical position, and I'm able to record my PC monitors and table as well. So, if you would like to build an arm like that, you can download the project from the Thingiverse website. I will put the link for the project under the video.
Okay guys, so it's time to sum up the project. In my opinion, the arm mount is handy and useful. It's very easy to print out and assembly. It's cheap because materials cost me around 5 euros. I mean the filament and the pipe. I think it was much more cheaper than a mount arm from the local market. Okay, so guys, it's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a comment what do you think about my project and leave the thumbs up. You can subscribe my channel as well. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.